Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 just proved it. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 just gone beyond expectations. The performance and the perfection is better than any of their competitors. And Qualcomm also proves its point with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. If you are an owner of Z Fold 3 and just tired of battery consumption, or if you guys are on Z Flip 3 user and really want a bigger battery, Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are the best options till day. And you guys can get a free credit if you pre-orders from Samsung's official website. So go for it if you really want a new foldable. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 came with the same 4400 mAh battery just like the last year's Z Fold 3, but Qualcomm new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor is 30% more power efficient than the last generation, which gives Z Fold 4 for an edge over Z Fold 3, and these aren't just the numbers. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gives you a screen on time of over 9 hours, which is a massive success, and even beat the S20 Ultra, which is great. But do you guys know that Z Flip 4 with just 3700 mAh battery also beat S22 Ultra with the 5000 mAh battery, which means S22 Ultra processor is not efficient as compared to the new foldable devices. And even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 25 watt, which will charge your Z Fold for within an hour. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has everything that affordable needs and even beat its competitor in many areas. Fast, you guys will not get IPX any other affordable device. And nor other devices are available in the other part of the world including United States. But Galaxy Z Fold for his IPX8, which is amazing feature. Meanwhile, if you are the one who like taking photos, then Z Fold 4 will be a good update over Z Fold 3. Came with the 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel wide, which is the same as Z Fold 3, and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. You can trade off your previous Galaxy device with Z Fold 4 and get a brand new device with additional money in it. Obviously, if you are on Fold 3 and are not interested in new battery consumption and new cameras, then Z Fold 3 is still a very good device to have. On Z Fold 4 you won't feel much difference except the new hinge, which is very minimal compared to the Z Fold 3, and with that we get a bit wider and bit smaller inner and outer display. If you're up for a perfect foldable smartphone, then Samsung has your back with the Z Fold 4. Are you guys impressed with the Z Fold for battery consumption? And what are your thoughts on moving from Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.